You're from nothing else, breathing on the street. Stealing fire, every wheel got a heartbeat. Late nights in the garage, sparks flying like stars. Blueprints in my head, not a clue who we are. Cutting up the tools, yeah, I shape my own frame. Every wrong angle, teaching more than the game, yeah. Front wheel drive, yeah, I flip the whole script. Chain running for a man, it felt like a risk. Seat low to the ground, yeah, the Novo sport ride. But that balance so tricky, couldn't keep it in line. Yeah, falling to the left and I'm falling to the right. Neighbors looking weird every single night. Hours of attempts, nothing working out. Every fail screaming louder than the doubt. But I don't quit, nah, I don't back down. From the first rough sketch to the first move round. Yeah, it wobbles, yeah, it fights, yeah, it don't feel right. But I'm chasing that moment when it finally takes flight. Hands shaking on the bar, legs pushing too slow. Mind racing faster than the wheels below. Then something clicked, couldn't tell you why. Suddenly I'm rolling and I'm not gonna die. Straight line, first time wind hit my face. All the fails disappear without a trace. Every scar, every fall, every wasted hour turned into a second of mechanical power. But I see it clear, yeah, the flaws still show. Seat too low, got no control flow. Geometry's off, need a better stance. If I wanna turn this thing into a real advance, still I don't quit, nah, I don't break down. From the shaky first push to a full glide now. Yeah, it's rough, yeah, it's raw, yeah, it needs redesign. But the first clean start, man, that victory's mine. Wells ain't perfect, pain still bare. But every inch of it says I dare. From nothing to motion, from doubt to drive. Build my own way, just to feel it alive. So I race that seat, tweak every line. One more version, gonna redefine. But I'll never forget that first success spark. When it rolled on its own, out the dark.